you go here,
Yeah.
this Y here is one of the main Ys.
You mean that wasn't the hard part?
Oh no. Fuck. Hard part's right after this.
Oh, good. That was fun.
The hard part's actually what we're doing right now. The walking.
Yeah, right.
So most people go around,
The high line there, yeah.
try to hug that
Very
tree,
bold, that.
hug the tree, then cross that.
I don't know, I came around that first one and was like, this one, turn around.
Some people go tire here and here.
Yeah.
Then when you're over it, right? Some people go this way.
Yeah. Narrow machine, wide machine.
Put your driver's tire right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Then go around and then it goes up there. And I think the big crazy part's not too far up after
There's
that.
an opt-out on the crazy part, isn't there?
An opt-out?
Yeah, like go around it. I think,
Something like that.
from what I've heard.
I've heard a couple things like that.
This is pretty gnarly.
The plateau there is where the gnarlier part goes.
Yeah.
So you got to beat it up.
Yeah.
Whoever gets stuck, we got to winch up, keep moving.
Yeah.
Like take 4 or 5 tries at it if you're stuck.
Yeah, just don't push it, right?
Somebody try to get out if we can. Whoever's at the top already, maybe
Spot if
help
you
say
can.
go backwards, don't go backwards,
Yeah, yeah.
cut.
Try and get someone up to the top so we can spot and come back and help. Trying to get going. So.
The main thing is you don't want to hit this hump like crazy. You want to go this way a tiny bit and then over and around.
Don't hit the tree. Got it. Not intentionally.
Do you want to tell Shelly to hop in line? She can drive up to here.
To get it up to
I'll help
here.
everybody kind of up here.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
put me in the lead anyway.
Tony doesn't need
I
spotting.
think it flattens out just up there and we
I
can
don't
all
need
kind of
what?
park.
You don't need spotting.
Yeah, I totally know what I'm doing.
I'm just following Jay. He's been doing this for a long time.
So,
Well, you're in a nice spot. The tire's like way down there. I think you're resting on the rock. So when you get just around the corner, there's a Y.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to avoid the first big hump, like a big tree stump. Just go to the left a tiny bit around it. Then you're gonna do a harsh right hook around over the rock. Barry will be there. He's gonna kind of
Guide. Okay.
yeah. And then he said to tell Shelly to do it herself. Jerry said jump in there. Basically take your turn after these guys. He's gonna coach you up to where he is. He's just gonna help everybody get up there. And then when you get up to him, he'll take over or whatever. But it's pretty easy from here to him. It's pretty easy. What? Yeah. You'll be alright. Use the gas pedal. I think this is actually the easier way. Yeah, Shelly. Woohoo!
Atta girl. That looked way fucking easier than the way we went.
I know. It's all rock, so you stick, right?
Yeah, sounds good. See if I can pull her off.
If not, just do a U-turn.
I don't know what would be more scary, going down all this shit or...
I don't know. Do we come back down there?
I don't know.
Huh.
You seem to know what you're talking about.
Newbie! You're good? Yeah, kind of where Jay is. Just come over to me if it don't look right. What? Hit what? Maybe. Okay, now which way? Which way? That way? You smell a little dirty belt? Yeah, I was kind of riding it. I should have had my revs like just a little.
Hey, you did good, man. You probably did a hell of a lot cleaner than I did.
Yeah, if you're about in between you and me, I think you would just go.
Cruise right up, yeah.
I mean, I went. I just
That was a good job, bud.
got rid of some belt smell if I went just a little faster.
Oh, fuck it, that was solid. Dude.
That might
Good
be
job.
the smell of my fucking shitting myself too, though.
That makes your fucking asshole pucker.
Stick to that side. Yeah. And keep coming up here.
Okay.
When you get to here, I kind of gun it, right?
Just keep the throttle on all times.
I can't hear you.
Keep your throttle on all the time. That's what Marty said.
Hey, I'm at the top. Slow down. Okay, this time when you go up, can you see my dirt line there?
Yeah.
You want to hug it, actually let it lean into there a bit.
Okay.
Okay, then as you come out of this bump, you're gonna feel these big ones, just don't stop.
Which way am I going at the top?
Try and put your tire here.
Hold on, I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Once you get to here, past the roots, you kind of start gliding over. See the dirt spot? Then climb up here and go over here.
Try and, yeah, aim your driver's tire to this.
Let me out of the way first.
I'm gonna hide behind this tree. I saw her take that first part. I'm not taking a chance. Get it?
Straight up. My way. My way. Keep going, keep going, keep going.